We have the OPC, which is our new music station. It's got 16 tracks. We have 4 drum tracks, 4 synthesizer tracks, 2 master effects ends. We have a tape track for doing tape sound effects. And then we have a master transpose track that can transpose your track across different sequences. Then we have punch-in effects, a lot like the pocket operators, where you can do a punch-in effect, and you can use these for live performance and hold them to do a loop or filter sweeps and so on, and change the sound. And it's kind of a lot of fun. It's more for live performance orientation. Then we have external out, which we'll talk about another time, and DMX, so we can control the light, fog machine, whatever you've got set up in that sense. And then the last one is motion, which will hook up to something called Photomatic, which we've shown before, where you can sequence photographs from your phone, or it will hook up with something called Motion in here, which is a Unity 3D dashboard environment. You can see, I'll show you later with the video. But the thing that's really cool about it is the sequencer. The sequencer is really quite interesting, quite a lot of fun to play with. So you got each track can be different lengths, and for each step you can apply what's called a step component. And applying a step component can be something like a ratchet. A ratchet would be, every 4 steps, step 3 plays another 4 times, making it 8 steps. So you get this really, really interesting way of expanding your sequence from a simple setup. And there's lots of different things. There's repeats, there's flams, there's jump steps. They may change. It's beta, so this may not be fixed. But for the moment, yeah, the sequencer is really where the fun is at, and you get to play with it that way. Okay.
Is it possible to sequence external stuff with a sequencer?
That's something we can talk about later. Yeah.
Do you know the price already?
The price at the moment is $5.99 US. So this is motion. This is a dashboard. It's like an overview of everything going on within the track. We can zoom in, scroll along. Let me zoom out a little bit. We can see the ADSR. We can see what step we're on. We can see the blue knob moving, because that's what I'm rotating at the minute. And you get a kind of overview of your entire pattern. And then when you press play, you can sequence this and have the camera move in certain directions. But it's all live, showing you what's going on within the performance.
And you can plug any screen with a USB cable?
No, you don't need a USB cable. It connects to the app via Bluetooth. At the moment, I got the USB connected. You can connect by USB as well if you want to. But no, it connects by USB. It connects by Bluetooth.